So welcome to knowledge sheet number 3, the most beautiful spot in the universe. There is a place you can come where everything is beautiful. Tourists travel from place to place looking for beauty. They try to take the beauty back home with them with photos and souvenirs. As the cameras have entered our mobile phone, we have gone insane. Earlier, when food was served on our plate, we used to pray to God, Om Brahmarpanam Brahmarhavi, Om Sahanavayavatu Sahano Bhunaktu. But now what we do, the first thing reaction is take the phone, click a photo, put it on the Instagram story, and then keep checking how many people saw it. And this is like trying to capture the moment to relish it later. So you are never in the present moment, you are either in the past or the future, isn't it? And as we keep going from one place to another looking for beauty, what happens? You only get tired and tanned. Yet the most beautiful spot anywhere is right here. When you come here, you find that everything is so beautiful wherever you are. Where is this place? Don't look here and there, come within you. When you are here, then any place becomes beautiful. Then wherever you go, you add beauty there. I always tell people that Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankar, the most often repeated sentence that you will hear from him, that the whole world has heard from him since he was maybe 5 or 6 years old till now, 66 years old, is, you know what? Close your eyes. I don't know how many times he says this in a day and how many millions of times he must have said this in this lifetime. Close your eyes. Wherever you go to the real master or a true guru, what he does? He introduces you to yourself. He introduces you to this most beautiful spot in the universe. That is why he will say, don't look here and there. Our mind is scattered all over the place. And the master, what he does? He gathers that scattered mind, consolidates it, and makes you antarmukhi, makes you look inward. When you are here, then any place becomes beautiful. Then wherever you go, you add beauty there. When you are unhappy, even the moon irritates you. Sweet things nauseate, music disturbs. See, when your energy is low, when your prana is low, even small things become very irritating to you. When you are calm and centered inside, noise is musical, clouds are magical, rain is liquid love. Suddenly your sense of appreciation expands because you are calm and centered. Book yourself on a trip to this most beautiful place in the universe. Then you will find that every day is a vacation and a celebration. You can still go for your trips as a tourist, but if you are in connection with this most beautiful spot in the universe, you will only add beauty there. So this was knowledge sheet number 3, and there are 363 more to go. If you are really enjoying this, please share and subscribe to this channel. The next knowledge sheet is going to be about a couple that they are lovers but they never ever get married, and find out who this couple is in the next video.